Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, May the 17th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper an additional with 9 extra puzzles. The first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars we have here. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. Binary number 1 and a binary number 2, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Half of them I will solve. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a killer Sudoku. But the first one is a... Oh, apologies. Bump the camera. Not good. The first one. Oh. The first one. Come on, tripod. Come on. Walk with me. The first one, Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 4562. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. We have 2 1s, we have 3 2s, we have 2 3s, we have 3 4s, we have 3 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 1 9. Okay, interesting. The 2 in this column, the 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. Then 5 missing numbers. In the middle column, 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this big square, so no 5 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and an 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7 in the first row, a 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. Alright. Then 3, 8. These 3 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9. 169, 169. Well, we have 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. Here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in that box. One box left for the 6, should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 9, the 1 and the 9. 888, 444, 333. Okay. 99. I'm scanning 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Then. I'm scanning. Come on. 1, 1. 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1. No. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in the first row, so no 1 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 5, 6, 8. Okay. 1. I'm scanning. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Oh, there, we see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay. All right. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. We have a pair, 1 and a 9 in the last column, 1 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Okay. 3 and a 4. We have a pair here, okay. So now we have 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. I'm thinking. 4, 5, 5. 6, 6. No. Come on. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Alright, well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 5, 6, 8. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be 9. and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 1, 1. Why do we have all the 9s? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. How about the 8? No, the 8. 8, 8. Yeah. 8 and the 3 in this column. 3 in a column next, so last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So on that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. 5 and 6. No. 8 and 6. No. 8 and 5. Well, it will be difficult. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. Well, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column, third column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 6, it goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Final number in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. Finish in 14 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.